This is a quick video showcase of the Branco Customs Yo Deba kitchen knife. This one was made from 4.5mm thick N690 cobalt stainless and finished with a nice mirror polish. It's got an even bevel both sides, which is symmetrical to give a nice kind of knife cleaver action. Not too thin for slicing, but great for chopping. This one features a blue and black G10 handle with red liners. If you like my videos and the things I create and would like to see more of it, please hit like, hit subscribe, and then if you also hit the notification bell, you'll be notified as soon as I release some new material on YouTube. You can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, or why not check out my website for the most comprehensive information, www.brancocustoms.com.